Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. Greetings of the day. Today, we as a team would like to present our innovation before you to address a social issue. Before beginning with this presentation, we would like to share a short video that depicts our problem statement. What we just saw is so disturbing. The very fact that our vehicles can wait but an ambulance can't evokes a touching and sad reality that highlights the urgency of emergency situations. I would like to start this presentation by discussing issues that are project targets. Here are some of the case studies and reference articles that helped us to come up with the solution. Imagine a scenario where you call an ambulance, the ambulance arrives, but the driver isn't aware of the route or the nearest hospital to take the patient to. Just because of the insufficient knowledge of the driver, the patient has to suffer. Moreover, asking for money in advance for emergency services can create critical issues as it may cause delays in treatment. According to the National Crime Records, nearly 24,000 people die each day due to delay in getting medical assistance. Critical delays in reaching the hospital can worsen a patient's condition. In times of medical emergencies, every second counts. It is critical to ensure that those in need receive prompt medical attention. Our project, FastResQ, is a mobile application designed to address the challenge in the current emergency medical service system and improve the overall efficiency of ambulance booking and navigation during emergency.
Let us now direct our focus to the current approaches and existing solutions that are being employed to address and resolve the prevailing issue. Along with that, I would like to draw your attention to the innovation that we came up with. So, the very first problem: what would an ambulance driver do if he is not aware of the nearest hospital or the route to that hospital? The very first thing he can do is check online for the nearest hospital or ask some local people about the nearest hospital. Our solution to this is that the application will find the nearest hospital based upon the user's location. The interface will help the ambulance driver to navigate to reach the hospital. To add more functionality, this search of hospital also considers the availability of beds. In a nutshell, the application will search for the nearest hospital by ensuring availability of beds and show the exact route to the hospital on the application's interface to ease the ambulance driver's job. Now, what would a patient's family do if the ambulance service is demanding money before providing the service? In a world where immediate medical attention can be a matter of life and death, the unsettling scenario of being asked to pay before an ambulance transports you to the hospital is a matter of concern. In some unfortunate instances, such emergencies may involve an elderly person, frail and vulnerable, with their earning child absent or unreachable. So, the application offers a save record feature that stores the details of the user that booked the hospital so that the ambulance driver need not worry about him getting paid later. Now, amidst heavy traffic, how does an ambulance navigate through the bustling city streets to reach its destination swiftly and efficiently? In moments of urgency, people often cooperate by adjusting their vehicles to make way for an ambulance. They recognize the seriousness of the situation and the importance of a quick medical care. However, it's essential to acknowledge that this helpful act is not always visible, particularly during severe traffic jams that clog the city roads. The streets become a maze of stationary vehicles, making it difficult for ambulance drivers and medical teams to navigate through. This keeps track of your location while you're on the road. This clever app can detect other vehicles or users nearby and send them notifications, kindly asking them to create space and let an ambulance or emergency vehicle pass through freely. Moreover, this application also alerts the traffic officer in charge at each signal along the ambulance's route. This way, the officer can take immediate action to manage the traffic congestion, ensuring a smooth passage for the emergency vehicle. In simple words, this technology ensures that everyone is aware of the emergency and helps clear the way for ambulances, making it faster and easier for them to reach those in need of urgent medical attention.
This is a visual representation of how our idea might come into reality. It shows the ambulance route with the ambulance's current location and also the traffic officers on the way, so they would be notified about the incoming ambulance, assisting them in clearing the route beforehand. In our FastResQ project, we've carefully selected a powerful tech stack to create a seamless user experience and efficiently manage data, and it consists of the following. Dart programming language is at the heart of our app's development. We chose Flutter for the app's front-end development, which enables us to create a single code base for both iOS and Android platforms. Our IDE of choice is Visual Studio Code, a powerful tool that comes with the needed extensions. To ensure smooth collaboration and organized development, we use Git for version control. Firebase is our go-to solution for the app's backend and notifications, which offers efficient communication. We rely on Google Maps API to provide accurate location-based services, helping in navigation. We host our app on the cloud using either Microsoft Azure or Amazon Web Services. This application has the potential to make a significant positive impact on the lives of many individuals by improving emergency medical services and benefit the society as a whole. This application intends to provide medical assistance to the users, and while doing so, the application focuses on general public, patients in emergency situations, healthcare facilities, and many more. By leveraging our vision and our robust tech stack, we're confident that FastResQ will deliver a seamless and efficient experience.